Facts about the science of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming occurs when the dreamer is aware they are dreaming. Around 55% of people experience at least one lucid dream in their lifetime. Lucid dreams most often happen during REM sleep. Techniques like reality checks and mild, mnemonic induction of lucid dreams can induce lucid dreams. Lucid dreamers can control the dream environment and their actions within the dream. Some people use lucid dreaming to practice skills, reduce nightmares, or explore creativity. Brainwave activity during lucid dreams is a mix between wakefulness and REM sleep. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for self-awareness, is more active during lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming can be trained through techniques like dream journaling. There are risks, such as sleep paralysis, associated with lucid dreaming attempts. Meditation and mindfulness practices can enhance one's ability to lucid dream. The frequency of lucid dreams declines with age. Lucid dream research could have applications in therapy, particularly for PTSD. Lucid dreaming offers unique control over dreams and has potential benefits in creativity, learning, and therapy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.